Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use gliders in Microsoft Flight Simulator. First, select your preferred glider like the popular Discus 2C. Next, it is crucial to configure your controller bindings. Ensure you have dedicated buttons for air brakes, also known as spoilers, and the tow cable release. Finally, set your weather conditions. For the best thermal activity, choose a summer season around noon with scattered cumulus clouds. This setup provides ideal conditions for your flight. There are two primary ways to launch your glider: aero tow or winch launch. Select your preferred method in the Flight Conditions menu. To signal readiness, simply wiggle your rudder pedals left and right a few times. During an aero tow, maintain a position slightly below and behind the tow plane. For a winch launch, pull back firmly to climb rapidly. Release the tow cable at a safe altitude, usually between 1,000 and 1,500 feet, by pressing your assigned button. Once airborne, your goal is to find lift. Thermals are rising columns of warm air, often indicated by cumulus clouds above them. Your variometer is key. A high-pitched tone means you are gaining altitude, while a low-pitched tone indicates descent. To maximize lift, circle tightly within a thermal, maintaining a 45-degree bank angle. You can also use ridge lift by flying along the windward side of mountains or hills, where wind is forced upwards, providing sustained lift. Landing a glider requires careful planning. Begin your circuit at an altitude of 1,000 feet or more above the airfield. Deploy your landing gear and use your air brakes to precisely control your descent rate and airspeed. Aim for a stable approach speed of approximately 55 to 60 knots. As you approach the runway, gently flare just above the surface, aiming to land flat on your main wheel. Apply wheel brakes after touchdown to slow down and maintain directional control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.